Please watch the whole video. The valleys of Kaghan and Swat in Pakistan. Pakistan, a country known for its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage, boasts some of the most stunning natural valleys in the world. Among these, the Kaghan and Swat valleys stand out for their breathtaking beauty, historical significance, and appeal as tourist destinations. These valleys, located in the northern regions of Pakistan, offer an array of attractions for nature lovers, adventure enthusiasts, and history buffs alike. This essay explores the history, natural beauty, cultural significance, and tourism potential of the Kaghan and Swat valleys. The Kaghan Valley, named after the town of Kaghan, is situated in the Mansehra district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The valley stretches over 160 kilometers, following the course of the Kaghan River. Historically, the region was part of various empires, including the Maurya, Kushan, and the Mughal Empire. It has been a cultural crossroads, influenced by the diverse groups that traversed its terrain. Kaghan Valley is renowned for its scenic landscapes, featuring lush green meadows, dense forests, crystal-clear lakes, and snow-capped peaks. The Kaghan River, with its sparkling waters, meanders through the valley, adding to its picturesque charm. 1. Lake Saif ul Muluk. One of the most famous attractions in Kaghan Valley is Lake Saif ul Muluk, located at an altitude of 3,224 meters. The lake is surrounded by towering peaks, including the Malika Parbat. Legend has it that the lake is named after a prince who fell in love with a fairy here. The serene blue waters and the reflection of the surrounding mountains create a magical ambience, making it a popular spot for tourists. 2. Baibuzar Pass. At the northern end of the valley, the Baibuzar Pass connects Kaghan Valley to the Gilgit-Baltistan region. The pass, standing at 4,173 meters, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the valley below and the surrounding peaks. It is accessible during the summer months and serves as a gateway for trekkers and adventure seekers. 3. Shogran and Siri Pay. Shogran is a picturesque plateau at an altitude of 2,362 meters, known for its lush green fields and dense pine forests. From Shogran, a jeep track leads to Siri Pay, a meadow surrounded by Makra Peak. These locations offer excellent opportunities for hiking, horseback riding, and enjoying the tranquil beauty of nature. The inhabitants of Kaghan Valley, primarily the Gujar and Kohistani communities, have preserved their traditional way of life. Their culture, music, and dance reflect the rich heritage of the region. Local festivals and fairs provide a glimpse into their customs and traditions. Kaghan Valley's natural beauty and serene environment make it a prime destination for tourism. The valley offers numerous activities, including, with its numerous trails and peaks, Kaghan Valley is a haven for trekkers and hikers. The Kaghan River is known for its trout, attracting fishing enthusiasts. The valley's meadows and lakes provide perfect spots for camping and picnicking. During winter, the valley's slopes are ideal for skiing and snowboarding. Swat Valley, often referred to as the Switzerland of the East, is located in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province. The valley has a rich history, with archaeological sites dating back to the Gandhara civilization. It was an important center of Buddhism from the 2nd to the 5th century AD, and the remains of monasteries, stupas, and statues can still be found throughout the valley. Swat Valley is famous for its stunning landscapes, including lush forests, roaring rivers, and majestic mountains. The Swat River, which flows through the valley, adds to its scenic beauty. 1. Malam Jabba is a renowned hill station and ski resort in Swat Valley. At an altitude of 2,636 meters, it offers spectacular views and is the only ski resort in Pakistan. It attracts tourists year-round, with winter sports in the colder months and hiking, camping, and sightseeing in the summer. 2. Kalam, situated at the upper end of Swat Valley, is known for its pristine beauty. Surrounded by lush forests and mountains, it serves as a base for exploring the nearby Ushu, Matilton, and Utra valleys. The area is rich in waterfalls, lakes, and hiking trails, making it a paradise for nature lovers. 3. Mahodand Lake. Located in the Ushu Valley, Mahodand Lake is another stunning destination in Swat. The lake, surrounded by pine forests and snow-capped peaks, is accessible via a jeep track from Kalam. It is a popular spot for boating, fishing, and picnicking. The people of Swat Valley, primarily Pashtuns, have a rich cultural heritage. The valley has been a melting pot of various cultures and traditions, influenced by the Buddhist, Hindu, and Islamic civilizations that have flourished here over the centuries. The local Pashto music and dance reflect the vibrant culture of the region. Swat Valley's blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes it a top destination for tourists. The valley offers a wide range of activities, including the Buddhist archaeological sites, including the remains of stupas and monasteries, attract history enthusiasts. With its lakes, rivers, and mountains, Swat Valley is ideal for trekking, hiking, fishing, and boating. Malam Jabba provides excellent facilities for skiing and snowboarding. Festivals, traditional music, and dance performances offer tourists a taste of the local culture. The Kaghan and Swat valleys are two of Pakistan's most beautiful and culturally rich regions. Their stunning landscapes, historical significance, and vibrant cultures make them exceptional destinations for tourists. From the serene lakes and lush meadows of Kaghan to the majestic mountains and archaeological treasures of Swat, these valleys offer a diverse range of attractions for visitors. Efforts to improve infrastructure and promote sustainable tourism will ensure that these natural and cultural treasures continue to captivate and inspire tourists from around the world. Thanks for watching the video. If you find the video interesting, please provide the feedback in the comment box, click the like icon and subscribe the channel for more educational videos.